Hello, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how our students that sit at the STAR table will be coming into the cafeteria and exiting safely. To begin, they will start at the sanitizer that is located at the front entrance of the Commons. It'll be very important that students sanitize their hands just prior to removing their masks. After sanitizing, they'll continue down the hallway and they will stop at the end of the hallway, where as a class they will all individually remove their masks and place them safely in their brown paper bags following our mask procedures. They will place the brown paper bags on the floor along the wall in the music hallway, and then they will continue to the last entrance of the cafeteria. Once they arrive here, they will continue along the back of the cafeteria or the gymnasium that was previously the gymnasium, and they are going to sit down at their STAR table if they have a cold lunch. So some of our students will just go right away to sitting at their table. If they are a student that is eating hot lunch, they are going to proceed down the back wall here. They are going to continue walking. There are social distancing dots to help guide their way. And then they are going to enter the cafeteria line, and they are going to safely exit the cafeteria line when they get their lunch and guide back to their tables. And they will eat their lunch until it is red cup. Once it is red cup, students will follow the directions of our cafeteria staff. They will dispose of their garbage in a garbage can that is located in this area, and then they will safely exit out the cafeteria doors located here. Once they get out into the hallway, they will exit here and they will stop at the sanitizer station that is located before their masks. They will sanitize their hands right before they get to this hallway in front of the music classroom. They will pick up their bag with their masks with their clean hands and safely place their masks on and pick up any belongings that they have, and then they will follow the directions of our cafeteria staff and enter the commons area and wait for the teacher to pick them up. I hope that this video was helpful for understanding how our students that sit at the STAR table will be entering and exiting the cafeteria. Thank you so much for watching.